In the vast and bustling world of insects, few creatures command such a unique mixture of grace and lethal precision as the praying mantis. It is an animal that seems almost otherworldly, a visitor from a miniature alien landscape. With its poised and patient stance, it appears to be in a state of perpetual prayer, its forelegs held together as if in quiet contemplation. But this reverent posture is a clever deception, a mask for one of nature's most efficient and formidable predators. This remarkable insect has fascinated humans for centuries, not just for its unusual appearance, but for the complex and often dramatic life it leads, hidden in plain sight amongst the leaves and stems of our world. The name mantis itself comes from the Greek word for prophet or soothsayer, a title earned from its signature pose. Early civilizations saw this insect as a creature with mystical powers, a guide for the lost, or a sign of things to come. And in a way, they were not entirely wrong. The praying mantis is indeed a prophet, but one of a more immediate, deadly kind. For any small creature that wanders too close, the mantis's prayerful stance is a prophecy of its final moments. It is a stunning example of how nature combines beauty with brutal efficiency, creating a life form that is both elegant and terrifyingly effective in its role within the ecosystem. This intriguing insect belongs to the order Mantidae, a group that contains over 2,400 species scattered across the globe. Each species has adapted marvelously to its own environment, developing unique colorations and body shapes that allow it to blend in seamlessly with its surroundings. Some look like fresh green leaves, while others perfectly mimic the appearance of dried twigs or even vibrant, delicate flowers. This incredible camouflage is not simply for show. It is a vital tool for survival, serving as both a shield from its own predators and a cloak from which to ambush its unsuspecting prey. The world of the mantis is a stage where the art of disguise is paramount. Observing a praying mantis in its natural habitat is an exercise in patience, much like the life of the mantis itself. It can remain motionless for hours on end, a living statue amidst the foliage, waiting for the perfect opportunity to strike. This stillness is its greatest weapon, allowing it to become just another part of the scenery, unnoticed by the buzzing flies, crawling spiders, and fluttering moths that make up its diet. It is in this quiet, calculated waiting that the true essence of the mantis is revealed. It is a creature of immense control and focus, a silent hunter that has perfected the art of the surprise attack, reminding us that in nature, looks can be very, very deceiving. The praying mantis is a truly cosmopolitan insect, having established its presence on nearly every continent, with the notable exception of the frozen landscapes of Antarctica. These adaptable predators thrive in a wide array of climates, from the humid, dense rainforests of the tropics to the warm, arid grasslands of temperate zones. Their ability to flourish in such diverse environments is a testament to their evolutionary success. Whether perched on a broad tropical leaf in the Amazon or clinging to a slender blade of grass in a European meadow, the mantis makes its home wherever there is sufficient vegetation to provide cover and a steady supply of insects to hunt. This global distribution highlights just how versatile this hunter is. In warmer regions, such as those found in Africa, Asia, and South America, the diversity of mantis species is at its peak. Here, the year-round warmth allows for a continuous cycle of life, providing an abundant and varied menu for these voracious predators. The lush foliage offers endless opportunities for camouflage, leading to the evolution of some of the most spectacular species, like the orchid mantis, which mimics a flower with breathtaking accuracy. These tropical habitats are the perfect stage for the mantis's life of ambush and deception, where it can blend into a world teeming with both prey and its own potential predators, such as birds, lizards, and monkeys. Moving into the more temperate climates of North America and Europe, the number of native mantis species decreases, yet their presence is no less significant. Here, they are often found in gardens, fields, and woodlands during the warmer months. Many people welcome them as a form of natural pest control, as they diligently hunt aphids, mosquitoes, and other insects that can damage crops or bother humans. In these regions, the life of a mantis is tied to the seasons. They hatch in the spring, grow to adulthood through the summer, and lay their eggs in the autumn before the first frost arrives, ensuring the continuation of their lineage for the following year. The introduction of certain mantis species to new parts of the world, sometimes intentionally for pest control, has further expanded their global reach. For example, The Chinese mantis and the European mantis were both introduced to North America over a century ago and have since become common sights in many areas. While they have integrated well into these new ecosystems, their presence shows how human activity can alter the natural distribution of species. From the sun-drenched gardens of California to the wild grasslands of the African savanna, the praying mantis stands as a silent, patient hunter, a master of its domain, wherever that may be. The body of a praying mantis is a masterpiece of biological engineering, perfectly designed for a life of predation. Its most noticeable features are its large, compound eyes. These remarkable organs, made up of thousands of tiny individual lenses, provide the mantis with an exceptionally wide field of vision. But it is the ability to turn its triangular head a full 180 degrees that gives it a true advantage. This incredible flexibility allows the mantis to scan its surroundings for prey or danger without giving away its position by moving its body. It can look over its shoulder, so to speak, a rare skill in the insect world that makes it a highly aware and effective hunter. Its long, slender body, or thorax and abdomen, provides the perfect structure for both stealth and stability. This elongated form allows the mantis to stretch and reach, bridging gaps between leaves and stems as it stalks its prey. The body's coloration and texture are often its first line of defense and its primary tool for ambush. Depending on the species, it can be a vibrant green, a mottled brown, or even a delicate pink, perfectly matching the foliage, twigs, or flowers it inhabits. This camouflage is so effective that an insect might wander within inches of the waiting predator, completely oblivious to the imminent danger that lurks so close by. However, the most iconic and deadly tools in the mantis's arsenal are its raptorial forelegs. These powerful limbs are held in that famous prayer-like pose, but they are anything but gentle. Lined with rows of sharp interlocking spines, they function like a pair of lethal folding knives. When an unsuspecting victim comes within range, these legs lash out with astonishing speed, in as little as 50 milliseconds, faster than a human can blink. The spines impale the prey, holding it in a vice-like grip from which there is virtually no escape. The mantis can then begin its meal, often while the prey is still alive, consuming it with its strong mandibles. This combination of extraordinary vision, superb camouflage, and lightning-fast, powerful limbs makes the praying mantis one of the most formidable hunters in the insect kingdom. Every part of its anatomy has been honed by millions of years of evolution for a single purpose: to catch and consume other creatures. It does not rely on venom or webs, but on pure physical prowess and a perfectly executed ambush. The praying mantis is a living testament to the brutal elegance of natural selection, a creature built from head to toe for the singular, focused task of the hunt, making it a true apex predator of its miniature world. The hunting strategy of the praying mantis is a masterclass in patience and precision. Unlike active hunters that chase down their food, the mantis is an ambush predator. It finds a promising spot, often near a flower or on a leaf frequented by other insects, and there it waits. It can remain perfectly still for hours, a model of absolute concentration, conserving its energy for the critical moment. This stillness is its secret weapon, making it appear as just another part of the plant. The mantis sways gently with the breeze, mimicking the movement of the surrounding foliage, further enhancing its incredible disguise and lulling its prey into a false sense of security. When a potential meal, be it a fly, a bee, or even a small spider, wanders into its strike zone, the mantis's body tenses. Its head, with those large, all-seeing eyes, tracks the target's every move. It calculates the distance with remarkable accuracy. Then, in a sudden, explosive movement, the forelegs are unleashed. The strike is so swift that the victim has no time to react. The spined legs snap shut, trapping the prey in an inescapable embrace. This entire sequence, from stillness to strike, is a breathtaking display of predatory instinct and physical coordination, a reminder that in nature, the deadliest moments are often the quickest and quietest. One of the most talked about behaviors associated with the praying mantis involves the female's often gruesome mating ritual. In some instances, a phenomenon known as sexual cannibalism occurs, where the female consumes the male before, during, or after mating. While this does not happen every time, it is a fascinating and brutal aspect of their life cycle. Scientists believe this act may provide the female with a vital nutritional boost, giving her the extra protein and energy needed to produce a large and healthy egg case, or uthaka. In a strange twist of nature, the male's sacrifice directly contributes to the survival and success of his own offspring. Ultimately, the praying mantis is far more than just a curious or fearsome insect. It plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of its ecosystem. As a generalist predator, it helps to control the populations of many different types of insects, preventing any single species from becoming too numerous. By feeding on common garden pests, they act as a natural and beneficial form of pest control, contributing to the health of plants and gardens. The praying mantis, with its prayerful pose and predatory prowess, stands as a vital and fascinating link in the food web, a silent guardian of the garden and a testament to the intricate and often ruthless beauty of the natural world.